Hello everyone. My name is Gnanaraju. I'm representing Herbalife India, working for last 17 years as a independent associate. I'm into position called 20K Senior Executive President member. I'm very happy to give you really this video and to clarify the doubts. Mostly people ask us, can I not lose weight by doing dieting? So dieting is not the correct solution because you end up losing a lot of muscle weight and bone weight and water weight, not just the only fat weight. So we don't suggest them because most of the time in body weight there are four components: muscle weight, bone weight, water weight, and fat weight. So if you don't give proper nourishment, balanced nutrition, you lose muscle loss, and you will be losing the bone weight and muscle weight and water weight, not the fat weight. Sometimes you may lose some fat, but it's not the substantial. So that's the reason why if you lose the muscle weight and bone weight and water weight in the long run, in the old age, you end up in health problems. And that's the reason why we don't suggest you to lose weight by dieting. And if I stop eating non-veg, can I lose weight? Yes, you can, but it's not the right way, because you can always eat a moderate quantity of non-veg, but if you stop non-veg, then find out the equal alternative of protein in the plant protein. So if you don't eat plant protein but you want to cut down non-veg, so you are either way, you are at the disadvantage. Protein is very important to your body. So that's the reason why we suggest to dieting is not the solution. Die, first three words says death. So it's not good because you are not getting the RDA, recommended daily dietary allowance. So that's called balanced nutrition or optimal daily allowance. So this is what many people don't understand. Prevention is always better than cure. Many people don't realize the difference between nutrition and food. All the food is not nutrition, but all the nutrition is the food. Herbalife nutrition is also food. So you can take it forever also. So there is not even one scientific study that proves that optimal vitamins and minerals can be got from our food. Our food is actually devoid of nutrients. Most of the time our ancestor food, it is very high quality, but what we are eating is not so much quality, because most of the Indian vegetables and fruits remain highly toxic because of pesticides, and our foods are depleted of nutrients because of improper growing methods, improper storing methods, improper cooking methods. Indian Dietetic Association, National Institute of Nutrition, in their combined study reported in the GTV, this says 73% of B complex vitamins are missing in our food. And the micronutrients like boron and zinc up to 43% levels, they are actually divided in our mother nature, the soil itself. When the nature itself, the soil itself don't have, then where is the point, our food will be getting. When you cut down the food, even that will be, even the things will become even worse. That's the reason why our food is not no more healthy. Once upon a time it was healthy, but no more. Our mostly our food is mostly sugar and salt and alcohol, fats and refined carbohydrates based, and we don't give enough proteins and vitamins and minerals and phytonutrients and fiber and water. So that's the reason why, because of this excess and deficiencies in our balance, in our general day-to-day life and day-to-day diet. And NSSSO considered as, our India as a Bimari Bharat, because it has a lot of crore, 47 crore people are sick. Actually their hospitals are full because our basically there is change in the diet and other patterns. So that's the reason why please don't cut down food. If you cut down food, the gaps in the nutritional will be even more worse. Actually, if to get 1 gram of 60 grams of protein, an average a person, you require, these are require jowar and wheat flour and green gram and cow milk and buttermilk. So these are the constituents. To get this kind of 60 grams of protein every day, you require to eat 500 grams of jowar, and wheat flour you require to eat 600 grams of wheat flour. To eat, to get 60 grams of protein, 250 grams, pav kg green gram is required, dals. And to get 60 grams of protein, you require to drink 2 liters of cow milk, which is impossible. And you eat the cheese, you require to eat half kg cheese, it also has calories, remember. So that's the reason why, don't cut down the food. Cutting down the food actually end up in more nutritional imbalances. And when diet is wrong, medicine is of no use. When diet is correct, medicine is of no need. So ultimately, diet plays a crucial role in our body and metabolism. This is what Hippocrates says, father of medicine. Let food be thy medicine, not medicine thy food. Meaning our food should be eaten like a medicine. Okay. So meaning our plate should be like this, balanced, full of 7 colors of fresh foods, vegetables, so many milk and non-veg and everything. So many balanced diet is required. But if you cut down that, you end up in nutritional imbalances. Dr. Linus Pauling, who received twice Nobel Prize, he says most of the disease comes because of nutrition deficiency. So nutrition is fundamental, and when you eat proper nourishment as per the balanced nutrition, you actually it supports the immune health, meaning you can prevent a lot of complicated diseases. Our balanced Herbalife is full of nutrition and full of balance in five proteins and vitamins and minerals and carbs and calories and everything, fiber. So not only balanced nutrition, we also do personalized person to person. We also ensure healthy active lifestyle. So to ensure that people always go into the wellness health rather than the survival health or the sickness health, right? So good nutrition, healthy active lifestyle is equal to support immunity health. And take me as example, these are my pictures. Me and my wife, we both lost weight and kept it up forever like this way, ultimately through good nutrition, Herbalife nutrition and exercise. And to know more about us, these are the details. To be with business for last 17 years. I'm a certified nutrition and fitness consultant, certified sports nutrition consultant, certified exercise science specialist, marathon runner, cyclist, all these things are there. I'm a former group 1 officer, government from government of AP, gazetted officer, resigned my job. And to reach me, these are Instagram, Facebook, and website, YouTube channels. And please talk to the person who has given you this video, forwarded this video. In case no one is there, talk to us, and we'll happy to assist you. I hope you got the point. And many people get confused, thinking that, by doing dieting, they lose weight. They may lose that muscle weight, bone weight, water weight, not the fat weight, which is actually more damaging. So that's the reason why we suggest you don't do dieting. Dieting leads to death, DIE, die, end up in cardiac, losing, heart muscle will lose out, right? So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, please forward and share to a lot of people. And I thank you, and we appreciate your valuable time for us. Bye.